Brown rice is a source of complex carbohydrates, which is considered healthier than simple carbs because they contain fiber and are broken down more slowly by the body. This cold brown rice vermicelli salad is a light and healthy dinner option during warm weather months. Let's make it together.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
You will need dry brown rice vermicelli, some carrot, woody mushroom, some spinach, a few crab sticks, vegan ham or fish cake of your choice, some white sesame seeds, mayonnaise, sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Soak the dry woody mushrooms in warm water for about 10 minutes. Then rinse well, remove the stem, and cut into strips. Julienne the carrot and finely chop the spinach. In a big pot, bring 1 liter of water to a boil and add some salt and cook the brown rice vermicelli until soft. Add sesame oil and mix well. Then quickly blanch the carrot, spinach, and crab stick for about 2 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan and saute the vegan ham, the woody mushrooms for a few minutes, and then season with salt and pepper. Next, roast the white sesame seeds until golden brown, and then process finely in a blender. In a bowl, combine the mayonnaise, sugar, vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, and mix well. You will have a super tasty, rich and nutty sauce. To serve, arrange all the vegetables around the brown rice vermicelli, and then add some chopped spring onion and roasted sesame on top for garnish. Drizzle with the fragrant and nutty sauce and mix well before serving. So fresh and healthy and super mega yummy. Your whole family gonna love it, I'm sure. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. I will see you there next time. Bye bye!